Today I am sitting here outside of this house. It's like $24,000. It's rough. I've been inside. The thing is, this house is gonna get multiple offers. We are gonna talk about putting an edge to your offer to make it so your offer is gonna be the one that gets accepted in a competitive offer market. One of the things you can do is use an escalation clause. An escalation clause allows you to escalate your offer to the maximum value that you're willing to spend. My client might be willing to spend up to $27,000. So what I do is I add an addendum to his offer of $24,000, and his offer automatically will escalate. You can choose how much higher, 500 higher, 1,000 higher, over another offer that's under $27,000. It's an offer boost. It's another tool, like a feather in your hat, making your offer a lot more desirable. I'm Randy Vaughn. This is my Hot Minute Real Estate Tip. Happy real estate shopping. See you next time.